Hey guys, Jignesh Jain here, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Once again, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos, and press the like button if you like this video. So, as you can see in the version number itself, it's an beta version of Android 11. Yes, we have flashed the beta version of Android 11 on our Redmi Note 7 Pro, and hopefully we'll be also flashing it on our Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So let's see. First, we'll check on our Redmi Note 7 Pro, how does it works, and then we'll go for the Note 10 Plus. I'll be covering all the latest things that has been incorporated into this particular version of Android 11, and I'll also be showing you whether it should be used as your daily driver yet or not, and then you can take decision yourself. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So first thing first, you can see the Android version 11 and the Android security patch update, also the Google Play security update, and if you want to know the baseband version and kernel version, it's limited to the phone itself. So yeah, if you want to see, you can see about it. The next change that you can see is about the number. So the build number has been changed. Obviously it has to be changed because the new build has been released, and this can be seen in the quick setting panel. There is another change in quick setting panel. The messaging and the other notification icons have been changed a bit. Not a major change, but yeah, it has been changed. Another thing that has been changed is, or say it has been incorporated and added, is the smart record and record the audio. So you can easily record the audio from here now. So now you can easily record the screen from this. You can select what all things has to be recorded from the device from here itself. So this is a great addition to the already used recorder if you want to. Moving forward, the next big change is, as you can see here, the screenshot and the select menu has been added into the recent panel itself. So yeah, now you can easily take the screenshot from here itself, and as you can see, the screenshot which has been taken right now can be resized, can also be marked up. If you want to mark or write something on this, it can be easily done from here itself. Okay, if you haven't yet seen or missed it, the screenshot which I have taken is not of the recent. The screenshot itself is of the app. So it takes the screenshot of the app, and you don't need to select the two specific buttons to take the screenshot. You can directly catch it from the screen, from the recent menu. Another thing, the select menu has been added. So now you can easily select the text from the recent apps, and you can copy and paste easily wherever you are in the apps just from the recent menus. So yeah, this is the great addition, I'll say. If you are used to take the OTPs and other recordings, then this is the best option you'll need. Moving forward, you can see the Magisk is installed in the phone. So yeah, you can root the phone with the latest Magisk if you want to, and the modules are also supported. So you can easily install the modules and enjoy the rooted phone. So that was all about the new additions to the ROM. And now let's talk about the bugs. So yeah, Wi-Fi hotspot bug, it's still not solved, and I am facing this. Maybe it's because of the GSI I am using, but from others also I have seen that the Wi-Fi hotspot bug is still not yet solved. Other than that, you will miss the VoLTE. So VoLTE is not at all working in this particular build also for the Pixel devices. So in and all, I'll say you can easily use this ROM if you don't bother about the VoLTE, and the system stability is not an issue for you, and you like the latest updates as and when it comes. So everything else is working great for me, including the camera. I am using the Gcam if I want to use, but I'll say you that if you are not a developer, don't go for this, and just wait for another month, because the normal build may be released by the Google in the next month, which would be stable. So yeah guys, this is it for this particular video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and don't miss any of the videos that I upload by pressing the bell icon. Thank you guys.